Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on FlirtMe. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your Google or your Facebook account or enter your email address or your username followed by your password and click on the login button. Now once you have been logged into your account, if you wish to change your email address, click on My Profile at the top left section. Now from this page, if you scroll all the way down, underneath the profile information page you will find your email address. So tap on the edit button alongside it and now you can edit your email address. Type in your desired new email address and then click on the save button. You will then be asked to verify your change by entering your password or by clicking on the link within your new email address. So go ahead and follow this procedure, and after clicking on the verification link, your email will successfully be changed on FlirtMe. And you can come back to this page as many times as you want to change your email address at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on FlirtMe. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.